Installing a utility sink in your garage with braided stainless steel lines might seem like an easy plumbing solution, but using those flexible lines for an 8-foot run isn't the best move for long-term reliability or safety, especially in the Texas heat. So, here's the lowdown. Those braided stainless steel supply lines are technically meant for short connections. Like under your bathroom or kitchen sink, they're not designed for long stretches. Over 8 feet, you risk extra flexing, kinking, or even pressure drops, and the heat in a Texas garage can make the rubber lining inside break down way faster. If you want your setup to last and not worry about leaks, you should really go with copper or PEX piping for the bulk of the distance, then just use those braided lines for the last foot or so at each end. PEX is awesome because it handles temperature swings better and is way easier to snake through walls than copper. Make sure you add a shutoff valve where the line branches off so you can turn off water to the garage if needed. Super handy if you ever get a freak cold snap. Oh, and a drain port at the lowest spot is a lifesaver if you do need to drain it fast. For the drain, tapping into your bathroom drain line is fine as long as you keep proper slope on that pipe and add a vent if your local code calls for it. If you're cutting through a garage wall, insulate those pipes if possible to avoid condensation and potential freezing, even if it's rare in Central Texas. And don't forget to secure everything so nothing shakes loose or vibrates over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage utility sink installation is running extra long braided supply lines instead of using solid tubing like PEX or copper. This can lead to leaks, pressure problems, and quick wear from heat exposure, so always stick to proper piping for long runs. Another common problem is skipping insulation on supply and drain pipes. This can cause condensation puddles or even pipe bursts on those rare cold Texas nights, so wrap your pipes if they run along exterior walls or unheated spaces. A third issue is forgetting to put in an accessible shutoff valve. Without it, you'll have a huge headache if you ever need to cut water to the garage quickly, so always install one where you branch off from the main line. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know all the right ways to handle tricky projects like utility sink installations without cutting corners. If you're a contractor looking for steady work, listing on BigHomeProjects.com gets you seen by real people who need your skills right now. Win-win for everyone.